welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing Poundland makeup, and you know what? Not excited. I kind of feel like it's gonna flop, but we never know. Literally get right on into the video because I don't want to make this long, because I think I've done 2 long videos in a row, and I know long videos, not a lot of people like to sit through them. So guys, disclaimer, this better be short. Okay, let's go on. So first I want to use my eye roller from Forever 21. Next I then go in with my aloe moisturizing lotion from Forever, which I done a video about pamper routine, but I've kind of run out. Just gonna put this all over my face. Cool. And then I want to start with the makeup. Now because I don't have a primer, I'm just gonna go in with my primer water. Oh my god, I've nearly finished it. And the foundation I got today was the long lasting foundation in the colour Sand 5. Now I kind of think it's a bit dark for me, but I was already sitting in that shop for too long. It's from the pound shop, so let me just think about how much it was. Let me get the receipt out. I seem to not really remember how much it was, guys. Someone please help me in the comments below. How much was this foundation? Okay, so I'm just gonna do what I normally do. I'm gonna go and wet my beauty blender, so I'll be back in a jiffy. Okay, so I wet my beauty blender and it's a bit deformed. Need to clean this. So I'm just gonna do what I always do, is not shake it, but when I was testing it out in the shop, it was really watery, so it on my whoa, that looks so thick. Oh my gosh. Because it's so thick, I'm just gonna add some of this NYX liquid illuminator into it. Looks like peach poo. Peach from Super Mario Bros. Just pooed, guys. Oh my god, I've put so much on. This is the thickest foundation ever. Unless it oxidizes. And if it does, we are in trouble. It doesn't really have much of a scent. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do half my face. And then I'm going to compare it to the other half. It looks like ice cream being melted. Looks just like my skin, like it doesn't really seem, it is starting to oxidize though actually. I don't really see much difference. I kind of feel like I need to have another layer, but I'll just do the other side off camera and then I'll tell you after. That is very thick. Okay, well first of all, it's made me look orange as heck. So look, here is where I blended it out on my hand, and here is what it looks like when I squirted it out of the bottle. Seen a bit of a difference, and it looks very patchy, and compared to my neck, I don't even know if you can see that. Here is really pale and here is orange. It looks like I fake tanned my face. And I try to like blend it out into my neck, but it just looks really patchy. The actual colour I think I could probably deal with, but the more I'm leaving it, the more it's oxidizing. It is alright for the money you paid. I mean, come on, I paid how much? £1? Honey, it's alright. But obviously terrible still. So for the eyebrows, I literally don't have anything, so I couldn't find anything. So I just used this Benefit Goof Proof pencil. I hate pencils, but it just gives it a natural look, just filled in where there wasn't any hairs. Colour Lash clear gel. And I don't have concealer, so some of this anti-age one, just the cheapest one that I own. This happens to be the one, and I'm just gonna put this under my eyes, and I'm testing out the cheap side today. What I'm doing is I'm just blending it out with a flat edge brush, and then I'm gonna go in with this beauty blender. That concealer over the top of the foundation actually isn't that bad. This line is starting to become really bad here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the powder, which I got for £1. And the reason it's really sellotape down really. So when I bought this in the shop, it actually looked darker. Seamless Shaping and Finish brush from Bare Minerals. Wow. Don't even know if you guys can see that. I'm just gonna set under my eyes and over my eyes. We are going to be doing eyeshadows today. Here it is. And I'm just going to, like in last week's video, massage it in here. I'm going to do light sweeps all over my face. In the same compact, so it kind of looks the same. But this is actually a matte bronzer. Surprisingly, it was £1, guys. So I'm going to go in with the Real Techniques contour brush into this powder. I'll fall out on this one. But anyway, on my real versus fake Morphe palette video, I said at the beginning that I watched Gossip Girl. Someone decided to comment in the comments who Gossip Girl was. That did not make me a very happy bunny. In fact, that made me a very sad bunny. It was you. Shame, shame, shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Because you made me a very unhappy person. I was so sad that one of my friends told me who Gossip Girl was. Do you know how sad that made me? Okay, so what I have to say about this is that even if I'm going in circular motions or just like swiping it straight on, it is just making it look quite muddy. Again, like I said before, you get what you pay for. £1 for this, honestly, it's not that bad. My buffer brush, and I'm just going to make it more seamless. Shading brush, which I use for nose contour, and we're just gonna brush this down here and bring it under my eyes so I can see if I've got the powder on. I'm just gonna pat this underneath just to clean up the edge of the contour. I'm going to be using these two shadows, this duo that has got a shimmery purple and a shimmery gold, and then this single shadow which was 50p, guys, 50p, and it's just purple, so purple shimmer, purple. Do you get what I was trying to do? You'll see what I'm trying to do later. Some of the foundation on normal brush, and I'm just going to put this all over my eye. The other kind of base for my eye. A single shadow in the colour Deep Plum, number 17. So with this shadow, I'm just going to be using this Dupe Zoeva brush, a crease brush that is quite long, and just you're gonna, whoa, focus this on the outer corner. Oh my god. I'm gonna go in with this big fluffy brush from Primark and just blend out what I already have on my eye. I feel like because I'm wearing Disney ears, so I'm just thinking of Disney characters. The oh my god, Maleficent, there we go. Especially from, god, I'm forgetting all the Disney names. What's that one on Disney Channel? Oh my god, I can even see all of them. It's got Luke from Jessie. It's got Dove Cameron. Oh my god, it begins with a D. Descendants, there we go. I feel like the Descendants Maleficent. Now I've blended it, and I don't know if you can see, but if I close my eye, it looks very patchy. And that is not from me blending, because this is how I blend out my shadows all the time. And now going in with the duo shadows, which I need to open. This one is called Purple Rain. Purple Rain. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a small edge, flat edge, and just get the shimmery purple. Thing is, I don't know if this has loads of pigment or if it's just really, oh my god, it just looks brown. Sorry for me, but we're gonna put this on the outer. Oh my god. Okay, well anyway, we're doing that, and then we're gonna put this on the inside. This is really annoying me because I did not want that to look like that. Oh my god, look at that fall out. And get the gold. Please save my day, gold. I'm gonna put this in the center. So that is the finished look with all the fallout. So I'm just going to clean up the fallout and then I'll show you what I've got. Okay, and now using the, my god, why don't I open things before I press play? It suddenly just got really dark outside. Using the turn up the volume mascara. What lengthening them. So that is the eye finished. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Wow, I didn't film any of what I just done. So what I just said was this is the Choco Mocha, Coca Mocha, whatever you want to call it. Coca Mocha one in number 4. And then I started putting this colour on and it's actually very nice. It's very close to my normal. It's fine, it's quite natural. But do you know what? It's not a bad lip colour or lipstick if I'm being honest. That is probably the best part that I've had. So now I'm going to do my highlight because I actually forgot to do that. So from my last video you might have seen that I'm going to add also a blusher. I had gone to the Makeup Academy and I got the blusher, so I'm just going to try this out. Like, I'm not asked to do this, I'm literally just trying it out because I want to. Rosy Outlook. Wow, that is very subtle and pretty. The thing is, I don't like bright blushes, so the fact that it's really subtle and that you can only really tell that it's there IRL. Next, I'm now going to use the Ice eyeshadow that I said I was going to use as a the setting brush, and I'm just going to dip into this and we're going to test it out. Oh, but the lighting that I'm using right now can't really pick it up. Well, actually you can see it here. And that is the finished look. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you soon in my next video.